Okay, hello guys. I'm building fast like a Locofy. It's a Locofy.ai. You can go on websites and it's a fine coder platform. It's very good and it's a hosting a virtual hackathon, building a product using Locofy.ai and it's exciting prices like 60,000. You can check price 30, 20 and 10,000. Okay. So I'm already built project. You can check my GitHub. This is the GitHub, and this is the all how can create Locofy. It's a proper way to all files. I'm not changing anything. It's already created, and it's like I said, it's like a image file and page. It's page. It's like it's creating in Next.js, I think. Okay, no, it's creating in React. Okay, and I have only one page and it's all the UI parts are here. You can see, okay, and it's creating in like you can check here to which profile to create. It's a React. It's all React, and CSS is like a Tailwind uses. Okay, and you can check here this websites. Okay, it's some I think internet slow. Okay, so how the website look likes, and this is the same as it's a we can check on deploy web link to look like the same. It's a Figma design. It's the same, and I'm using Figma to Locofy and TypeScript and React and CS. And you can check here to click to live, and also here is a link, and you can click and direct open this website. Okay, and it's look like it's the same on this I'm creating in design. It's very awesome, and also it's looking as the same, not changing anything, and it's look like it's a CSS are also working same, and buttons and logos are same too and working, and picture or size same to same, not changing anything. And we can check how to create a Figma design and design to Locofy. Firstly, I have a one navigation bar in Figma, okay, and we want to create a Locofy in designing. It's a simple smart. Then we can go on plugin, and we I am already creating, so we no need to, and we can also check here and search plugin, and it's a multiples and like a I don't know how many plugins. We can only click here to run, and it's working. I think it's creating like a 1 minute because it's a only navigation bar, and we have a like a big here we can create a file name like a name bar. We can write a name bar. Okay, and we can check here to which types of code setting and styles, and we can use style CSS on style components. It's a coming soon. It's not available, so we can use like a style in CSS component styles and person mark. Okay, so we can using like a it's TypeScript is good. Okay, okay, and creating here, and we can choose a framework. So firstly, I'm choosing React, and here to create. Okay, okay, and no need. Okay, it's I think it's here to click and view your code and all framework and select the frameworks. Okay, so all we can click framework is React. Okay, on here to click and view before tagging. ignore the recommendations. You can check also.